Welcome to our channel Top Things. We create videos on best places to visit in the world. Please subscribe to our channel and watch till the end to know everything about the place before you plan your travel. Today, we will know more about a beautiful place called Faroe Islands. Faroe Islands are an archipelago of 18 mountainous islands, discovered between Scotland and Iceland, in the Northeast Atlantic Ocean. With a total land area of 1,399 square kilometers, a sea area of 274,000 square kilometers, and a population of 50,000. These islands, also spelled as Faroe Islands, or Faroese Faroer, or Danish Faroerne. The name first appeared as Faroeyjar, meaning sheep islands. That's how essential these animals are to the islands, and with sheep outnumbering people by about 50% on these islands. The population is scattered over 17 of the islands, although 40% live in Tórshavn, the capital of Faroe Islands. They form a self-governing overseas administrative division of the Kingdom of Denmark. The archipelago has the type of striking views typical of volcanic islands, like windswept mountains, crashing waves, and jagged coastlines. The Faroe Islands is set to transform travel according to the Lonely Planet's Best in Travel List 2021. The islands have been awarded a place in the Community Connection category, which celebrates destinations offering authentic and unforgettable experiences that give back to local communities. You can fly non-stop to the Faroe Islands from a variety of destinations, such as Copenhagen, Denmark; Paris, France; Reykjavik, Iceland; Edinburgh, Scotland; and Bergen, Norway. Beautiful landscape of Faroe Islands can be explored by a car or a bus in a trendy way. It is easy, flexible, and you can decide on your own pace, just like a true Faroese. The cars can easily be picked up and dropped off at the airport. The terrain in the Faroe Islands can be alarming, especially with the unpredictability of the weather. It can change at any time and vary vastly from island to island. So, always pack a rain jacket and warm jacket when wandering. The national language of the Faroe Islands is Faroese. Danish is the official second language. May to September is the most popular time to visit the Faroe Islands. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe for more videos.